These little babies, and I'll take some individual shots of them. They're well fed. Feels nice and cool inside the house with my hand in here, and outside it's very, very warm. So this is a great little spot for them. Look at this little guy. So cute. Should be able to tell blue ticking on them now. We'll have a close-up look at them. So sweet. They're doing good. Mummy's doing great for such a teeny tiny little girl. She's doing amazing. Oh, look, his little eyes are open. Oh. Did I wake you up? You silly baby. Oh, that's a big stretch. Okay, so we have 3 tricolor babies in this litter. Viv, would you mind checking the gender on those babies? Let's see. Little boy? Little boy is a tricolor. Little boy? Oh, 2 tricolor boys. And little girl. Oh, lovely. Okay. So, this sleepy little baby that I shouldn't be waking up, little blue tick. There's our little boy. So this is our only blue tick baby boy right here. Oh, sawdust on his nose. One blue tick baby. He's got lots of ticking coming on his little toes. A handsome little guy. Alrighty, so all of these are blue tick girls. So we're going to do some individual pictures of them. This guy's getting back in the pile. There's a beautiful litter of babies. They're doing amazing with their little teeny tiny mummy Penny. Mommy's out rabbit hunting right now. She got on a scent and she's having some fun this afternoon. I guess it's still morning. It's getting hot though.